Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are safe and sound. This video lecture is presented to you by Future Concern Grammar School. If you are new in our YouTube channel, so firstly like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press the bell icon so you can get immediate notification of the uploading videos. Today our topic is abbreviations. An abbreviation is the shortest form of a word. एब्रीवेशन लफ्ज़ों की शॉर्ट फॉर्म को कहा जाता है. एब्रीवेशन इज़ यूजली डन टू टेक लेस स्पेस इन अ डॉक्यूमेंट और अ सिलेक्शन. फॉर एग्जांपल BA बैचलर्स ऑफ आर्ट्स, BSF बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस, CM चीफ मिनिस्टर, NCC नेशनल कैडेट कॉर्प्स, ONGC Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, PM Prime Minister, UN United Nations, USA United States of America, VIP Very Important Person, WHO World Health Organization. These are few examples of abbreviation. That is our today topic. I hope you understood. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.